Hey everyone, Nusrith Beg here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and do like and comment and do reach out to me after this video and share this video as well. Again, I am not a CPA. I have an MBA from University of Chicago Booth School of Business. So I'm not qualified to actually tell you exactly what to do. What I am doing is actually sharing education and knowledge that I've acquired and putting them in layman's terms so you can understand, and you should go and take that information that I'm providing and go check it with your CPA. Again, in all my videos, I provide this disclaimer. This is similar to you getting some education on your on some drugs, and then finding out the side effects, and then going to your doctor and then asking like, hey, I want to try this drug out, for my condition. What do you think about it? So same thing. And at the end of the video, what I'd like to do is actually introduce you to a tax team that will sit with you every 3 months and figure out your tax strategy. Okay, so first and foremost, the name of this video is what can be deducted on your taxes. So in this topic of discussion, what you really need to have set up is a home business. Okay, so first thing is a home business set up. Okay, now a lot of people are thinking like, hey, do I have the same advantages as a home business owner versus a small business owner that it has like a brick and mortar business? The answer is yes. Okay, so again, what I will have at the end of the video is give you the opportunity to introduce you to some lawyers to help you get incorporated, a tax team to help you sit down and figure out your tax strategy. So I want to facilitate that introduction and also provide you some education and knowledge to take home with you, okay? Some value to take home with you, all right? So once you establish a home business, okay, there are a lot of things that you can start deducting. The U.S. government has passed a lot of tax laws and a lot of tax benefits to small business owners because small business owners provide one of the most jobs in the U.S., like about 75% of it, if not more. Okay, it's not the big, large companies. A large company, when they're very big, they can't grow like the double digits big. It's the small companies that can go from a one-person shop to 10-person shop in a year, or a 10-person shop to a 100-person shop in a year. They can experience those kinds of exponential growth. All right, so let's get started. So let's say, for example, you have a home. All right. Here's your floor plan, all right? And in your floor plan, let's just say, for example, you are taking, so here you have your garage, and then you have like your family room, and then you have your kitchen, and then you have like a bathroom, and then you have a small bedroom, and then on the second floor, you have some other stuff. So in this small bedroom, let's say you decide that you're going to use this as your home business, all right? Or even if you're using a corner of that small business to conduct your business. Let's say you're using that as your home office, or if you're using the small business as your home office, and that equals to 1/8. Let's pretend for a second that this is 1/8 of your real estate. So what can you do? 1/8 of your home, if 1/8 of your home is your office, then what you can do is take 1/8 of your utilities, okay? 1/8 of the interest that you pay on your home, and you can write it off. 1/8 of the taxes that you pay on your home, and write that off. 1/8 of the depreciation. Okay, 1/8. So let's say, for example, you say like, oh, hey, I can't, I don't own a home. So 1/8 of your rent, you can deduct. Okay, and if you have a maid service or an alarm service, you can deduct that too. Maid and alarm. Okay, so if you have, if you're paying $800 in utilities at the end of the year. So 1/8 of that is $1. Excuse me, $100. My coffee hasn't kicked in today. So yeah, if my utilities are $800 at the end of the year, and then 1/8 of that is $100. So easy math here. So that is what's tax deductible, and then you add all this up. Imagine how much people are paying for rent if they're paying $1,000 a month, right, that's $12,000 in the year, you know, get eighth of that and write it off. Okay, so these are all these tax benefits that you have, and I really want to introduce you to a tax team. And you need to get a home business, get yourself incorporated. Okay, what I have to offer are some core services that almost every American needs. I myself, you know, I'm using these core services. So what I want to offer and introduce you to is a lawyer on call. Okay, a CPA tax team on call. And what, aside from being on call, what they will sit down with you every 3 months and figure out your tax strategy. Okay. What I want to also introduce you to is a way to fix your credit. Okay. So a lot of people, since the Great Recession, still haven't recovered from all their issues that they had with their credit. So what I want to do is help you with your credit as well, to help lower your expenses in all the loans that you're paying. Okay, so at the bottom of this video, in the description, look for my email address. Okay, send me a note, send me your name, your phone number, or if you want me to contact you via Skype, the time and date that you're available to talk for 30 minutes, and then also the time zone that you're at. So contact me. I want to really introduce you to the team that I'm working with and using the services that I'm using, and definitely it will help you in your taxes. I know people that are overpaying grossly on their taxes. I was overpaying on my taxes, not anymore. The entire country together collectively is overpaying to the tune of $150 billion. About 87% of us Americans are overpaying on our taxes. So please do something about lowering your taxes, and do save your money, keep your money, grow your money, and you know, I wish you all the success in hitting your financial goals. All right, my name is Nazareth Beg. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, share, and comment, and subscribe to my channel for some more tips. All right, thank you so much. Have a good one.